Good morning, do-it-yourselfers and YouTubers. Here's the first of what'll be several videos on this truck. It's a 2005 Ford F150. This is the 4.2 liter V6, almost all the way back together. But I thought I'd do a quick one for you. If you've done plugs, wires, and coil pack on this truck, put it back together, and you're misfiring, not starting, or just running like crap, this is probably your issue. Firing order is front to back, 1, 2, 3, front to back, 4, 5, 6. However, when you get to this, your coil pack, which sits on the valve cover facing this way, connection back, you're actually 1, 2, 3, and here's what gets people: 5, 6, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. So you might want to check, make sure you have that right. Thank you.